we're a new partner with Mid Counties Co-op just last year, and the impact that the money that we'll receive from Mid Counties will have a massive impact on our services. We have a independent living centre is what we call it, and that's the core of where people with sight loss come, access, join in and get involved. We have a host of different activities that we put on there, and this particular set of money will go towards our kitchen.
We get external funding, but that usually pays for in-house stuff, for example, staffing, all the resources. So the difference this will make is this will actually go to young people. We're also getting volunteers from mid-counties who are coming with us into schools, talking to young people, helping us with working with young people, which is fantastic and really helpful.
Compton Hospice, it costs around £7 million each year to run the hospice. We rely heavily on the support of the local community, and by having the support of the Mid-Counties Co-op, it enables us to continue to offer our services that we do. In particular, over the last sort of 2 or 3 years, there's a big emphasis on care in the community. A lot of people now who are diagnosed with a terminal illness prefer to stay in the familiar surroundings of their own home, and what we've been able to do is to increase our home care nurses that have been able to go into the homes, look after those patients and offer the specialist care out in the community that we were also able to offer within the hospice as well. So it's made a huge difference to the support that we're able to offer, and on behalf of the hospice we thank Mid Counties Co-op for that.
This grant has made a fantastic difference to us because all of our computerised equipment was outdated, worn out, dilapidated, breaking down. As I said, very often it was a case of not what have you done, how many crashes have you had today? And that's eliminated all of that, and we've now got a system that we can use, that we can develop and create a more efficient office space.
The Mid-Counties Cooperative grant has made a huge amount of difference to us. We had applied to Heritage Lottery Fund for quite a substantial amount. Alas, it was turned down in February, and we were then at a loss really to know where to go. We were aware we needed to do some development work to try 1 or 2 different approaches which would make Heritage Lottery Fund make us more appealing to them. And so the grant has enabled us to try some of those, particularly the community cafe idea, where members of the public come and contribute their own memorabilia, but more especially their oral reminiscences.